Welcome to another Indeo Design Studio tutorial. In this video, I'll walk you through the Ultimate Project Manager, a scalable project management tool for all project sizes. This tool is available for purchase in my Etsy shop, and you can also find a link to the bundle in the description below. Let's get started. When you open the spreadsheet, you'll see that there are 11 tabs. Let me quickly show you what the blank worksheet looks like. The instructions page provides all the key setup details and answers to frequently asked questions. When you purchase the item, take a moment to review this information before you begin using the spreadsheet. 3 things to highlight for now. Number 1, this tool is designed specifically for Google Sheets, so the formulas will not work properly in Excel. Number 2, by default, the date format is set to the US format, but you can change this by going to File, Settings, Locale. Number 3, certain cells and sheets are protected to prevent accidental changes to formulas. If you need to remove protection on a sheet, simply click anywhere in the sheet that has the protection, go to Data, Protected Sheets and Ranges, and you'll see a menu pop up on the right. Click one of the items, click on the trash can icon, and that will delete the protection for you. The tutorial section gives you access to this video as well as a link to a fully filled out sheet for reference. And remember to read through all of the instructions before beginning. Now let's go to a sheet that's filled out so that you can see it in action. In the Setup tab, you can customize your Ultimate Project Manager to fit your workflow. But before we get into the Setup tab, notice that there are quick links on the left that will take you to any tab in the sheet. These links are on every tab and provide a convenient way to navigate the Project Manager. First off, one thing to note. Colors are not easily changeable because they are created in different ways, some using formulas, some using conditional formatting. However, it can be done, and if that's something that you want, I can customize the sheet for you, and fees are based on the level of customization requested. Okay, so under Statuses, you can change the labels to anything you like, but the meanings for the first 3 should stay the same based on how they are used across the sheet. Under Priority, you can assign up to 5 priority levels to categorize tasks by importance. Under Assignees, you can list up to 20 assignees who will be responsible for various tasks. These names will appear in drop-downs throughout the spreadsheet, allowing you to easily assign tasks. Next, choose your working days. Any unselected days will be grayed out in the Gantt chart and excluded from task duration calculations. If your team takes specific holidays off, add them here. These will be highlighted in the Gantt chart and automatically factored into task duration calculations, ensuring accurate scheduling. And finally, choose your preferred currency. This will be used throughout the Project Manager for budgeting and financial tracking. That's it for the Setup tab. Taking a few minutes to configure these settings will make managing your projects even more efficient. Now that we've set up the Project Manager, let's explore the dashboard, your central hub for tracking project progress, task distribution, and workload management. I'll briefly touch on the left column, which lists today's date, a calendar to give you an overview of the month, and a notes section so that you can jot down thoughts as you review the dashboard. You can change the calendar to any month you like by clicking here and selecting a date from the pop-up. The top section shows key performance charts. The project status distribution chart gives you a quick breakdown of tasks categorized as not started, in progress, complete, on hold, or canceled. The project task distribution chart shows the number of tasks per project, giving you insight into workload distribution. The task priority distribution chart displays how many tasks fall into each priority level, helping you manage high priority work. The assignee workload distribution chart tracks the number of tasks assigned to each team member and workload, along with status allocation. Section 2 is task management. This section lists the next 10 tasks coming up, along with their status, assignees, and due dates. Any overdue tasks will appear here, so you can quickly address missed deadlines and keep projects on track. Section 3 is the project overview. Use this drop-down to select a project and view its details, including client name, start and end dates, total budget, and actual spending. You can also see the project's progress overall and across different statuses. Section 4 is for task filtering. You can filter task by assignee and by priority to focus on specific team members or high priority work. This bar chart helps you visualize the number of tasks in each priority category. To back out of any filtering, you can click on a filter and hit delete. The dashboard gives you a real-time snapshot of your projects, helping you manage priorities, deadlines, and team workload efficiently. Next, we'll dive into the Clients and Projects tabs. This visual chart at the top of the Clients tab gives you a quick snapshot of how projects are distributed among your clients, helping you identify your most active clients at a glance. On the right, you'll see the total number of clients in your database, updating automatically as you add or remove clients. This table allows you to store key client details, including company name, main contact, email, and phone number. These fields help you keep track of all your clients in one organized place. Here you can see how many projects each client is associated with and their total revenue. This helps you track which clients are generating the most business. When you see columns grayed out like this means that these cells are auto-populated from other sources and cannot be edited. You'll see this color coding across the rest of the tabs. The Clients tab keeps all your client data in one place, making it easy to manage relationships and track business performance. Next, let's explore the Projects tab, where you can track all active and completed projects in one place. At the top, you'll find key metrics, including the total number of projects, estimated costs, actual costs, total revenue, and total profit, all calculated automatically. This table stores all project details, including project name, client, lead, start and end dates, and status. You can update project statuses as they progress from not started to completed. Assign a project lead to ensure clear responsibility and accountability for each project. You can track financial performance by comparing each project's budget, actual costs, revenue, and profit. Projects with negative profit are highlighted in red, making it easy to spot concerns. Your budget and actual costs are coming from the Budget tab, while the profit is calculated by subtracting actual costs from revenue. The Projects tab gives you a real-time view of your project's progress and financial health. Next, let's explore the Task Manager tab, where you can track, prioritize, and manage all project tasks in one place. At the top, you'll see key metrics, the total number of tasks, the number of completed tasks, and the number of tasks left to do. The table tracks each task, including its status, project code, name, description, priority level, and assigned team members, as well as start and end dates and duration. Task statuses help you track progress and adjust workloads as needed. Tasks are color-coded by priority, from high priority P1 to low priority P5, making it easy to focus on what's most urgent. Each task has a start and end date, with duration automatically calculated to help you manage timelines effectively. The Task Manager gives you full visibility into your team's workload, deadlines, and priorities. Now let's dive into the Budget tab, where you can track planned and actual project costs in detail. Use this drop-down at the top to select a project and view its total planned budget, actual expenses, and remaining balance. This ensures you stay on top of financial performance. On the right, the budget summary provides an overview of all total, planned, and actual costs, along with the overall difference. This helps you monitor profitability and cost efficiency across projects. The first 4 columns of the table are auto-populated from the Tasks tab so that you don't have to re-enter the same information. The duration column is here to help you estimate labor and material costs more easily, based on the time the task will take. The labor section tracks the hours worked, hourly rate, and calculates the total cost per task. Here you can log the materials used, their unit price, and the total cost, which is also auto-calculated. Additional expenses like rental or external services can be recorded under the other costs. Here you can enter your planned budget for each task in the planned column. As projects progress, update the labor and material costs to compare against the initial planned budget. Your actual costs and the difference will be calculated based on these updates. The Budget tab gives you full control over project costs, helping you stay on budget and maximize profitability. Now let's explore the Gantt Timeline tab, where you can visualize project schedules and manage deadlines efficiently. First, choose a start date for your timeline. This adjusts the calendar view to ensure all tasks align with your project schedule. All tasks from the Task Manager tab are automatically displayed here, including their project name, priority, assignees, start and end dates, and duration. You can filter tasks by project, status, or priority to focus on specific aspects of your timeline. This helps streamline planning and resource management. To the right, you'll see a visual breakdown of tasks by status, showing what percentage are not started, in progress, complete, on hold, or canceled. Below this, tasks are displayed as horizontal bars, representing their duration on the calendar. The color-coded bars match task statuses, helping you quickly identify ongoing, overdue, or completed tasks. The Gantt timeline provides a clear, visual representation of your project schedule, ensuring deadlines stay on track. Now let's explore the Kanban board, a visual tool that helps you track tasks by status and priority. At the top, you'll see a quick summary of all tasks categorized as not started, in progress, complete, on hold, and canceled. This gives you an overview of your team's workload at a glance. Each task is displayed as a card, showing the project code and name, task description, priority level, assigned team member, and due date. These cards are automatically populated from the Tasks tab. Tasks are color-coded by priority, making it easy to identify urgent items. Higher priority tasks like P1 stand out in red, while lower priority tasks are in lighter shades. Tasks move across the board as their status updates, from not started to in progress, then to complete. On hold and canceled are also displayed, helping you keep track of workflow bottlenecks. The Kanban board provides a streamlined way to manage tasks visually, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Now let's explore the monthly calendar view, where you can see all tasks scheduled for a specific month. Start by selecting the calendar year and the month. You can also choose whether the week starts on a Monday or Sunday, making it easier to align with your workflow. Use these filters at the top to filter tasks by project status or priority. This allows you to focus on specific tasks without distractions. Each day displays the tasks scheduled along with their project code and status. Tasks are automatically populated from the Tasks tab. Tasks are color-coded based on their project status, making it easy to see what's been completed and what hasn't. The monthly calendar provides a structured view of all your scheduled tasks, helping you stay organized and on top of deadlines. Now let's explore the 12-month calendar view, where you can plan and track projects across the entire year. Similar to the 1-month calendar, start by selecting the calendar year and start date. You have the same filter options as you do in the 1-month calendar as well. Quick links provide easy access to months not currently in view. This 12-month view provides a complete breakdown of all scheduled tasks and projects for each month, making it easy to plan ahead and stay on top of deadlines. You can easily plan long-term projects, ensuring deadlines, milestones, and priorities are managed effectively. The 12-month calendar keeps you organized by providing a high-level view of all tasks and deadlines. Now you're ready to use the Ultimate Project Manager to its full potential. Now that we've explored all the features of the Ultimate Project Manager, let's recap. With this tool, you can efficiently manage clients, projects, track tasks, monitor budgets, and visualize deadlines all in one place. With detailed task tracking and a customizable Gantt chart and a visual Kanban board, you can streamline workflows and focus on what matters most. Plus, in the budgeting tool, this ensures you're keeping projects profitable. With the Ultimate Project Manager, you're set up for success, whether you're a business owner, freelancer, or project manager. If you have any questions or need support, feel free to reach out anytime. And thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, or share in the comments if you found this video to be helpful to you. Cheers!